Good morning, guys. So I am back. I'm currently here in Florianopolis, and I just wanted to make a video basically saying that I'm going to be changing up the content format. So I recently started a challenge a couple weeks ago where I was posting short form videos every day. It started off every day with the goal of basically documenting my journey building a $10,000 a month online business while I travel the world. That was the pitch. And I really like that idea, and I've been thinking about it for a long time because I've already been traveling the world. I want to create an online business. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that, so why not document the process for you guys? But after posting for, I'm not going to lie, guys, I didn't really make it as far as I wanted to in that format. I thought I'd give it more of a shot, but I kind of realized that it's a tough format, you know, posting every day in like a 1 minute clip, because online you have like 50 seconds on, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok. You have about 1 minute. And you can't really show off anything cool in a minute. You know what I mean? You can't really show off any tutorials. You can't show off any places that you're traveling. It's pretty much, I wasn't really sure of what should I be showing. You know what I mean? Should I be showing off the daily, is it like a daily vlog style? Is it a montage of me working at a desk somewhere, which I don't really do every single day? Um, or is it some sort of hybrid? Is it like supposed to be narrated? It, it wasn't really making sense to me. And it was a bit of a grind, to be honest. Like with short form content, you really have to make it like visually stimulating, and you don't really have enough time to express yourself. Already, this video, I'm looking at the clock, is about 2 minutes long just to have this little bit of a conversation here. So I decided that I want to build every day and I want to do it in public, but I need to do it in a longer format. So my new plan is to shift to longer form videos. I'm going to shout out a guy here called Jacky Chou, I believe his name is, from Indexy. He posts every day, longer format videos, talks about, his businesses, gives tutorials, gives a lot of value. And I think that's more the style that I want to approach with. Um, so that's the new plan. I think with this new format, I'm also going to be able to basically take the longer clips and actually shorten, like clip those into shorts. So I think it's going to satisfy both, content formats. Um, but yeah, it's just tough to post every day in like a short, visually stimulating, narrated like approach, because the fun thing about traveling the world is you're traveling the world. Like you don't really want to be worried about posting some video of you working every day. Because I mean, obviously there's a lot of days where you're working, but it's not always going to be taking its steps to advance the business. And yeah, so it wasn't really working for me. And hats off to some people. I'm going to shout out some creators that I know that post every day. One in particular, a guy named yoniman.mp4 on Instagram, posts short form video every day. He's done some cool stuff, but it always looks visually stimulating. I've seen him grow his audience a lot, and that's kind of what the inspiration was for me doing my challenge. But yeah, not to belabor the point, but it's just the grind to post every single day and cut it up. I think like a short form editing takes kind of more time than this kind of long form editing where you're not actually doing much edits. Like I'm probably just going to post this in one big clip, which is fine with me because I'm happy to ramble. Um, but I just want to share more with you guys. Like I want to share what I'm building. I want to have the time to do it, and I want to build an audience that has a longer attention span than just 50 minutes of me showing off, what I'm doing in a day, making it visually stimulating. It was like I was posting for the audience to be entertained more so than for me to actually document me getting work done, which I thought is not really the point of what I'm trying to do here. So, yeah. But the good news is I'm going to be posting a lot more because I'm actually super fired up about this format. Yeah, as I mentioned, the plan is to do it every day. I don't think I'll be missing any days. I think I can bust out a video pretty much no matter what. Um, and I'm currently in beautiful Florianopolis. It is gorgeous here, guys. It's in the southern part of Brazil on an island. And I'd love to show some of that off to you guys as well. So, super excited. Probably going to have another video for me later today. But from now, let's just get this one out there. So, yeah, I'll make another video with day number 1. Probably going to have to restart just to have it feel like I'm worthy of posting the first video again. Don't want to start off from day whatever because I missed a whole bunch of days, but we'll get that out to you guys later today. Okay? Thanks so much for your patience. It's a bit of a work in progress here, but it's all part of the journey, right, guys? All right. Take care.